4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a counter or countdown animation in CapCut. First, let's create a subtitle file. Go to your favorite chatbot and simply ask it to create the file for you. In your prompt, tell it the range you need and any other parameters it requires like the timing, frame rate, language, or format such as SRT, so it generates the subtitle file correctly. Once the file is created, simply download it to your hard drive. Open up CapCut, click on the Captions tab, then select Captions and press Import File. Choose the SRT file you just created. After importing, drag it down to the timeline. This will allow you to see your countdown in the timeline, making it easier to edit and customize. Now, change the font size and align it to your preference. Move the playhead to preview your adjustments. If you'd like, you can also change the font type to something that fits your style better. This size looks good, but remember, you can always select a preset style from the options at the bottom. Feel free to play around with the settings until you find a look that you find pleasing. Once you're satisfied, press the play button to preview the animation and see how it all comes together. To create a countdown instead of a counter, first, drag and select all the text. Then, right-click to open the context menu and choose Create Compound Clip. Once you've created the compound clip, select it and simply choose Reverse from the drop-down menu. This will reverse the order of the text, giving you a countdown effect. Now, you can preview your countdown animation to see how it looks. If you want to display a certain text for a longer duration, double-click the compound clip. This will allow you to change the duration of each text segment individually. Select the text piece you want to adjust, then grab the end of it and drag it to the right to extend its duration. This way, you can ensure that specific parts of your countdown are displayed for as long as you need. Once you're happy with the timing, preview the animation again to see the changes. If you want to spice up the animation, click on the Animation tab. Here, you'll find a variety of effects that you can apply to your text. Browse through the options and choose one that you like best. Feel free to experiment with different animations to see how they enhance your countdown. Once you find an effect that fits your style, apply it and preview the animation to see how it all comes together. So that's basically it. This is an easy way to create a counter or countdown text animation in CapCut. Thank you for watching. Happy editing!